Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT again, your technology entertainer. Today in this MS Word related tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do addition and average from data of Microsoft Word easily. So as you can see, there's a table and so many informations and two data columns are there. Okay, so at the time of adding those, what do? We just bring a calculator and calculate those manually. But today I'm going to show you two different ways with which you can calculate automatically by using two formulas. Okay, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to press on Control and F9 at the same time, then is equal to and AutoSum, that means sum, first bracket and above, closing first bracket and F9. As you can see, the total of those datas are 380. Okay, and if I change any data from there, 70 becomes 80, then there is no change. As you can see, there's no change. So what do we have to do? We have to highlight those and click on F9 again. It will be changed 80 to 120 and then highlight and F9. Okay, and I'm just removing it. The thing can also be done too easily from layout. Make sure the cursor is there, go to layout, formula, and as you can see, the formula is there. Click on OK. It is there. Okay, I have shown two ways at the time of addition. Now I'm just going to show average. So what I'm going to do, again pressing Ctrl and F9 at the same time, then is equal to sign and as and average, 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 first bracket and above and closing it and again F9. Okay, the average of those datas is 115. Okay, if I change 85 to 90, then again like that, highlight and click on F9. It is 116.25. Now delete it and again going to layout, formula, and then what do we have to do? Just remove sum and type average. Click on OK. The result is there. And as you could see, just by pressing some simple buttons and clicks on layout, we got addition result and also average from a table easily. And by this way, you can calculate easily on MS Word and can also make average. I hope I could help you and you could learn something new from it. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions, your problems in the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Any question, any opinion will be taken with utmost priority because we work for our viewers and subscribers. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.